Hello and welcome back. Now, in this episode, I have to make money desperately. W15 is at risk. The rent is not cheap. I was busy with nonsense project like the CLS, and yeah, I have to make some profit. So that's why I bought this car. It's a Ford Fiesta, nothing fancy. Has a front end damage. It will serve me two reasons. As I said, I will try to make some profit. I will flip this car, and then I will practice more on bodywork damage and painting. In 2024, this was my New Year resolution that I'm gonna, become a good painter, and I would do just that. Self-taught, what's best than practice. So let me show you the damage, and then I will start fixing the car. As you can see, the damage is not that bad. The bonnet, I found one color painted. I'm not gonna bother with that. Headlight, again, straightforward replacement. The front bumper, I'm gonna respray it. I bought a new non-original insurance-approved bumper. I'm gonna prime it, sand it down, and hopefully the color match will be good. In this video, I'm not gonna do too much talking. I will just leave you guys watch the video. Hopefully you will enjoy it, and at the end I will achieve some good results. I started disassembling the car. Let's make some progress. Put two coats of primer on the bumper. It's a brand new aftermarket part. I want to make sure that the paint will, stay on the bumper. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna sand it down and finish the painting. And just like that, we've completed the repair on the small Fiesta. It was a pleasure to work on this car. It's so tiny, so small, straightforward. Parts are cheap. I managed to source a bonnet very cheap. It didn't make sense to fix the the damaged one, so I bought this one and the headlight, and I only had to paint a new bumper I bought, and it's finished. So like I said in the introduction, I need to make some profit because the garage is at risk, the rent is not cheap, and I was bothered and focused with almost impossible projects like the CLS, then flooded cars. Hopefully I can save the place. I really enjoy being here. I like to progress as a mechanic, as a painter, as a body damage repair, whatever. So hopefully I can keep it, and I can do more videos. So please like the video, subscribe, and hopefully I can post some more in the future. God bless you, take care.